Hey gardeners, Amy here with Garden Up. Today I want to talk about this gorgeous, absolutely stunning perennial right here. This is called Blue Star Amsonia. So Blue Star Amsonia, also called Amsonia tabernaemontana, is native to the central and eastern half of the United States. It's a beautiful perennial, USDA zone 3 through 9, and it's in the Apocynaceae family. It starts off in the early spring with this beautiful green mound of foliage, and then sometime in May or early June, you see these absolutely stunning light blue star-shaped flowers. And the flowers are borne on these clusters at the end of each stem. It grows 2 to 3 feet tall and wide. It prefers full sun but can tolerate part shade. However, if you grow it in too much shade, it tends to get leggy and floppy, from what I understand, so full sun is definitely best. It's rated for medium water, and the research I've done says that it prefers moist soils, but well-drained. But I grow it over here on the more xeric half of my front yard, where I water once every week or two, maybe, when I remember, and it absolutely thrives here. So it can definitely tolerate some drought. It's easy to grow in average and well-drained soil in full sun to part shade. It prefers moist, loamy soils, but it does tolerate some drought. When it's grown in full sun, the plants often require no pruning or staking. Literally no care is required here. When it's grown in some shade and/or rich soils, however, plants do tend to become more open and floppy or leggy, and they often require staking or pruning. So for a neater appearance, particularly if it's growing in the shade, you might cut it back by about a half to a third of the stem length after the flowering to promote the bushy growth and a more rounded foliage mound. However, if you do that, you will be losing the seed heads, which are also quite attractive, and it will reseed. Here's what the little seedlings look like, just cute little things, and you'll have more plants that you can share with others or spread to other parts of your garden if you want. The stems and the leaves produce a milky latex when they're cut or torn, which can protect the plants from being eaten. These flowers are also attracted to lots of bees and butterflies and all the pollinators. There are no known insect or disease problems that are really going to affect this plant as well, so seriously, easy care. And it has shown resistance to deer as well. So, seriously, get this plant. Now, if you can't find seeds or plants in your area, please check out my Etsy store. I have been harvesting the seeds on this for a couple of years, and they are available on my Etsy store, which is linked in the description down below. As far as design goes for your garden, I want to talk about what else is blooming at the same time as this one, because you can put this next to several different things, and visually they just explode, they pop. It's such eye candy. It's just amazing. I love this plant. So it is currently blooming in my garden at the same time as Scarlet Gilia, Oregon Sunshine, my rhododendron back here, Baptista, this yellow primrose right behind me, and 4 different penstemons. There's also the white primrose that I had in front of it at one point, but it died in one winter a couple of years ago, so I'm kind of bummed about that. But those next to each other, oh my God, gorgeous. And the other thing that's in my garden that's not native is bearded iris. But I have those all over the place, and I just love the way this peach iris that I have right in front of it that blooms at the same time. I just love the way that the peach iris offsets this blue. It's just amazing. So if you can make some kind of a bloom combination like that, this will absolutely be the focal point of your garden for a couple of weeks, and it's just gorgeous. All of these plants I am working on filming videos for, so make sure to subscribe so that you can follow me along the way and not miss the plant profiles and native plant profiles for all of these other beautiful bloomers. So thanks for watching, everybody. Remember, if you liked the video and you learned something, make sure to hit the like button down below. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And if you have not already done so, please subscribe for more gardening content in your video feed every week. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the garden.